Hi, this is 1 Trillion Hobbies, a place where we create without any pressure. In this video, I will walk you through 6 essential crochet stitches that every beginner should know. Once you understand these stitches, reading crochet patterns become much easier. So let's get started. Before we begin crocheting, we first need to make a slip knot. Now this knot goes onto the crochet hook and forms the starting point of most crochet projects. Simply make a loop with the yarn and then pull the working yarn through it and tighten it slightly. Then you can fix it onto your hook. Now we are ready to start crocheting. The chain stitch is the foundation of most crochet projects. To make the chain stitch, you just need to yarn over, turn your hook towards down and pull through the loop on your hook and you get another loop, and then you can continue, yarn over, turn your hook and pull through, yarn over, turn the hook, pull through. Now if you maintain the same pressure, you can continue working on your foundation. Now I suggest keep on moving your left hand along with the chains so that all the chains have the same tension. So none of them is either loose or like either too tight. So you can see that's how your chain should look like. Now if you have pencil grip holder, then the same goes, you can continue. The slip stitch is mainly used to join the stitches or move across your work. So to make the slip stitch, you just need to insert the hook into the stitch where you want to attach your chain or work or continue across. So let's say if I want to attach at the end of this chain, I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch and then I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through the first stitch and the loop in your hook all together. I'll show you one more time. You need to select, let's say now if I select any one random stitch, if let's say I want to attach my chain over here, I'm going to yarn over and pull through that stitch and this loop on my hook. So that connects my chain. So majorly you will be using it to either join the stitches or if you want to move across your work. It's a very short stitch that doesn't really add height. Major purpose is only to continue or join the stitches. The single crochet is one of the most common stitches in crochet. Now here's how to make it. Now for this, you need to insert your hook in a stitch and then yarn over, pull through. So now you get 2 loops on your hook. Then you take yarn over and you need to pull through both the stitches at once. That is just single crochet. That completes one single crochet. So you can repeat that. Insert your hook into a stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through both the hoops. Insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This completes single crochet. The half double crochet is slightly taller than the single crochet. So for this we need to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, again yarn over, pull through. This gives me 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to again yarn over, turn my hook around and pull through. This gives me the first half double crochet, and I need to continue, yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, 3, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and this I need to continue. Yarn over, insert into the stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and continue and see the difference between single crochet and half double crochet. The double crochet stitch is taller and works up quickly. You need to start with yarn over, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull through. So up till here it is very similar to how we do for half double crochet. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through only the first 2 loops. So now again you are left with 2 loops on your hook. Again you're going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. So this gives you a double crochet. That is your yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. 3 stitches on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, then yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. And those are the 6 basic crochet stitches every beginner should know. Once you're comfortable with these stitches, you'll be able to try many more crochet projects and patterns. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more crochet tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. Now that you know the basic stitches, you can also try my large shell stitch tutorial, which I used in my baby blanket.